Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Passion. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some smart trendy collections only for you. So let me display very fashionable looks also. Same saree today I have different color only. This one is Georgette base with mirror work and printed all over. Very nice looks. This one is full nice and fashionable looks. This one is full base part all over printed work and all over border portions, nice work, fully artificial mirror embroidery design work and all over printed one, digital printed Georgette base, fashionable look, smart also. And this one is all over same printed and border design work, and this one full base part all over same printed, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy mirror embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and fashionable looks. And this one also nice color combination, same saree, Georgette base printed one and all over border portions design work, mirror artificial mirror with embroidery design work, very fresh looks. This one full base part all over printed one, mirror design. This one is pallu and applique contrast color applique patch and border, and this one full base part, very bright and fresh looks. This portion is border portion, fashionable. This portion is border, beautiful artificial mirror with embroidery design work, and this one running blouse piece, contrast color plain running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material embroidery mirror design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one is very elegant and beautiful looks, premium quality, pure handloom muslin silk, golden zari border and all over border portions, beautiful hand weaving jamdani design work. This one full base part all over jamdani design work, golden and silver zari weaving jamdani work, golden zari border, soft one, premium quality soft golden zari border and full border portions, beautiful jamdani design work, and all over base part is buta design, transparent pure muslin silk, golden and silver zari buta work. And this one pallu portions, beautiful jamdani design work, highlighted pallu and golden and silver zari weaving jamdani work, and pallu end highlighted fine golden zari stripes design, very trend pallu end portion. Elegant looks and nice color combinations. This one full base part all over jamdani design work and very fresh color combinations, transparent pure muslin. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one very beautiful one, organic linen base with fine weaving design work, black base and golden zari weaving buta work and all over weaving design work, stripes pattern, very trendy and fashionable looks. This one full base part, very soft one, based for your party wear also, and beautiful weaving design work, very fresh looks. This one is full base part all over same stripes design base. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, very highlighted one beautiful buta design work, golden zari with contrast color, threaded weaving design work, highlighted pallu, and this one is full piece part and very lightweight, easy drapable, soft one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful one, nice color combinations, handloom soft silk base, kota weaving all over buta design, and this one contrast color border with beautiful fine weaving design work. This one is border portions, fully contrast color with fine weaving design work, border all over buta design, very nice looks, bright one. And this one pallu portions, fully brocade pattern, fine weaving design work pallu, and this one running running blouse piece, fully brocade work running blouse piece, and this one is all over base, very bright and fresh looks and lightweight also. This one is border portions, fully heavy weaving design work border and all over base, very nice color combinations. And this silk material heavy brocade buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. For your exclusive looks, for customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one, very fashionable looks, neat base all over embroidery design work, very trendy and fashionable looks. This one is full base, nice color combinations, wine shade with beautiful design work all over, heavy embroidery design work, base is neat, and this one is border portions, beautiful design work and all over same pattern, very trendy and fashionable looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work, contrast silver brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also, nice color combinations, handloom soft silk material with silver zari weaving buta work all over base and border portions also, silver zari weaving design work. And this one, full base part, very elegant looks. This one is border portions, fully silver zari weaving design work border all over buta design and handloom soft silk material. And this one, pallu portions highlighted silver zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base but very elegant and fresh looks. This one is full base all over silver zari buta, and this one is running blouse piece, very elegant color combinations also. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And this one, very beautiful, fashionable also, pure premium quality organza silk with golden zari fine checks design with highlighted Banarasi weaving border design, very nice looks. This one, full base part golden zari checks design. This one is border portions, fully fine zari weaving design work, fine Banarasi work, and this one is full base part all over checks and organza base, pure organza. And this one is pallu and highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part and very elegant color combinations, Eoli's golden shade with traditional Banarasi weaving fine work border. This one is all over base, and this one is running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one, nice color combinations, bright one royal blue shade with green contrast border, premium quality, very nice look. This one, full base part organza base. This one is border portions, fully contrast color with traditional weaving design work border all over polka design, and base is organza base with heavy work, very bright and beautiful color combinations. This one is full base all over work, and this one, pallu portions, fully contrast color with heavy fine weaving traditional weaving design work pallu, and this one is full base. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. Very beautiful one, smart looks, pure organza base with fine embroidery design work, very bright and beautiful looks, all over embroidery, fine embroidery design work, very colorful also, without running blouse piece, only saree length, and pure organza base with fine embroidery design work, very nice and fresh looks. This one is pallu and beautiful pom-pom design and all over heavy embroidery design work, organza base. This one, full base part, very trendy and fashionable looks, without running blouse piece, only saree length. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. For quick order, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. And this one also, very nice and elegant looks, bright color combinations, art silk material with all over heavy weaving design work, border portions and pallu. This one, all over base buta work. This one is border portions, beautiful zari weaving traditional border, and this one is pallu portions, fully contrast color with heavy weaving design work, highlighted pallu. And this one, full base part, very bright looks. This one is full base all over buta design, and this one is border portions, beautiful traditional weaving Banarasi border. And this one, running blouse piece. This portion is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and fashionable elegant looks. And this one, very beautiful and bright one, handloom soft silk material, traditional Banarasi weaving, contrast color border, and all over silvery printed one, very elegant looks, off white base. This one, border portions, contrast color dye with traditional Banarasi weaving design work, border all over silvery printed one, and buta design, very nice looks. This one, full base part, and this one, running blouse piece, fully brocade work running blouse piece. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful fine brocade weaving design work, highlighted pallu. This portion is pallu portions, and this one is all over very bright and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, brocade buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and elegant looks. And this one, fashionable looks, organza silk without running blouse piece, all over digital printed one, fashionable smart looks, trendy looks. This one, full base part all over digital printed one, organza base with beautiful digital printed one, all over base, pure organza without running blouse piece, only sari length. This one is all over digital printed one, very fresh looks. And this one, pallu portions, pallu and beads design work, beads attached. And this one, full base part, lightweight obviously. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and fresh looks. This one also, nice color combinations, premium quality, pure chanderi silk, half-inch highlighted golden saree border, and all over kalamkari printed one, premium quality pure chanderi silk material, half-inch highlighted golden zari border, all over kalamkari printed one, very soft one, smart looks. This one is full base all over printed, and this one, pallu portions, highlighted printed pallu, and very lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom, pure chanderi silk, and very lightweight, comfortable, all over kalamkari printed one, highlighted half-inch golden zari border. And this one is running blouse piece, fully different pattern running blouse piece. And this one, full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, golden heavy Banarasi weaving design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also, nice color combinations, very beautiful one, contrast color border, and all over printed one, semi chanderi silk with beautiful printed one, all over base. This one, all over base, nice printed, very elegant and fresh looks. This portion is border portions, fully printed border, and all over nice work. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portions, highlighted printed pallu, semi chanderi silk with beautiful printed one, very bright and fresh looks. This one is border portion. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful one, nice color combinations, semi cotton base with all over printed one, very elegant and fresh look, semi cotton base, golden zari half-inch highlighted border, and all over printed one. This one is full base part, all over printed. This portion is border portions, beautiful nice printed border, and all over nice print, very elegant and fresh look, semi cotton base, soft one. This one is all over printed one. This one is running blouse piece, different printed. And this one, pallu portions, beautiful nice printed highlighted pallu. And this one is border portions, half-inch highlighted contrast color border and all over nice print, very elegant and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. And this one also very beautiful color combination, same material, semi cotton silk, contrast color, highlighted border, all over nice printed one. This one full base part, printed one, very soft one, elegant looks. This portion is border portions, beautiful printed border, all over printed, very soft one, semi cotton base. And this one pallu portions, beautiful nice printed highlighted pallu, soft, comfortable, easy drapable. And this one full base part, all over beautiful printed one. And this one is running blouse piece, fully defined pattern printed. And this one is all over base. And I will suggest this cotton fabric nice printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also nice color combinations, beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom. Base part is khadi cotton with golden saree border and pallu muslin pallu with traditional jamdani design work. This one is full base part, khadi cotton base, soft one. And this one is zari border, all over weaving polka design. This one is all over multi-color weaving polka design, very soft one. And this one muslin pallu with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design work. And this one full base part, very bright and fresh looks. This one is full base, golden zari border, all over polka design. This one is running blouse piece. And this one full base. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one bright color combinations, parrot green shade, silk clean base, golden zari border, and all over traditional jamdani buta design. This one all over base, beautiful weaving buta work, highlighted golden zari border, parrot green shade, very nice look, silk clean base. And this one full base part, all over heavy work, all over buta work. This one is running blouse piece. And this one pallu portions, fully heavy weaving design work pallu. This one is pallu portions, very bright and fresh looks. This one is border portion and all over heavy work. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks, gorgeous also. And this one also nice color combinations, premium quality, soft tissue linen base, shiny material, heavy work, checks design with heavy weaving design work, border and all over buta design, very fresh and bright look, soft one, premium quality handloom tissue linen base, all over heavy weaving design work, shiny material based for your party wear. And this one pallu portions, heavy work with pom-pom design. And this one full base part, very bright and fresh looks. This portion is border portion, heavy weaving design work, heavy worked border, all over weaving design work, very bright looks. And I will suggest this this one running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Very beautiful one, a soft silk material, all over contrast color, fine weaving design work, very nice looks. This one full base part, soft, comfortable, smart looks. And this one is border portions, beautiful fine weaving design work border and all over buta design, very nice one, soft one. And this one pallu portions, beautiful fine weaving design work, highlighted pallu. And this one full base part, very bright and fresh looks, elegant looks. This one border portions, fully fine weaving design work border. This one is running blouse piece, very trendy look, soft one, easy drapable. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy smart looks. And this one, same material, white base with contrast color, threaded weaving design work, highlighted work. This one, full base part, pure white base, contrast color, fine weaving design work all over base. This portion is border portions, fine weaving design work border, and all over buta design, very trendy and elegant looks. This one is pallu portions, beautiful weaving design work, highlighted pallu, soft one, smart and fresh looks. This one is full base part, lightweight, comfortable, all over fine weaving buta design, very fresh looks. This one is full base, this one is running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material, fully Gujarati work, embroidery work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart looks. Also, nice color combinations, white base, handloom soft silk material with all over weaving design work, contrast color, fine weaving border design, and all over base part is fine weaving design work, very nice and bright fresh looks. This one, full base part, beautiful fine weaving design work all over base. And this one, pallu portions fully silver zari weaving design work, fine work pallu. This one is pallu portion. And this one, full base part, very bright and fresh looks. This one is full base. This portion is border portions, fine weaving design, heavy worked border all over weaving work, soft one, handloom soft silk material with all over design work, very trendy and smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. For quick order, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. And this one also, a nice one, organza base and contrast color weaving border all over heavy embroidery design work, very bright and fresh looks. This one is border portions, fully weaving design work border all over fine embroidery design work, and organza base, very nice and fresh looks. This one is full base part, all over embroidery design. And this one, pallu in golden patch, highlighted pallu in, and this one is all over base. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, organza base. And this one also, handloom soft silk material, heavy weaving work, based for your party wear also, nice looks. This one, full base part, all over fine weaving design work, highlighted base all over base. And this one is border portions, contrast color dye with fine Banarasi, traditional Banarasi weaving design work border all over heavy design work, and very soft one, smart looks. And this one, nice color combinations. This one, navy blue border, contrast color with weaving design work. This one is brocade running blouse piece. And this one, pallu portions, fully traditional Banarasi weaving design work, heavy worked pallu, very bright and beautiful looks. And this one is border, elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright fresh looks. A very beautiful one, handloom soft silk material, zari weaving border design all over middle portions, fine checks design, very nice look, soft one, comfortable. This one, full base part, all over fine checks design, and this portion is border portions, fine zari weaving design work border. And this one, pallu portions, fully checks pattern design work, highlighted pallu, very smart and fresh looks. And this one is all over base, beautiful checks pattern design, very smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over base, and fully fine temple pattern, weaving design work border. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh and bright looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, black base and khadi cotton base all over printed one, printed buta. And this one, full base but very bright looks, black base with golden foil printed buta work all over base. This one, full base part, soft one, khadi base, bright printed buta design all over this, very trendy and smart looks. This one is running blouse piece. And this one, pallu portions, highlighted printed pallu and very soft one, easy drapable, smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and fresh looks. And today I have dipped a beautiful smart looks, very fully designer looks, and georgette base all over printed one, and beautiful mirror embroidery design work border, very trendy and fashionable looks. And this one pallu and applique attached border, very trendy look, soft one, and pure georgette base, beautiful saree and blouse also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.